All right, let's see if you guys remember this. Class?
No.
No?
Oh, I thought we were supposed to say that.
Who said that?
I forgot.
You're supposed to say yes.
Oh, yes.
Okay. All right, so you want to try it again? You want to try it again? All right, okay, let's try this again. All right, class?
Yes.
Okay, all right, thank you. At least fake it, pretend like you want to be here, because it helps me pretend like I want to be here. It's kind of like following along, paying attention. So like certain things like, Vinny, if I know that you're paying attention, where do you tape? Where do you put tape on your table of contents? Do you put it on the top of the page?
No.
No, you don't put it on the top of the page. Where's the tape for the table of contents got to go? On the side, right there on the spine, so you could actually use both sides of that, right? So it doesn't fall out.
You
Okay.
didn't say that.
I bet you I did. Did I stand up here and like take Vinny's and like wave it so to show how it falls out?
Yeah.
Really? No, seriously, I did. I stood right here, Big Vin. Yeah. How high are you? High?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay. So you didn't have a stroke and forget like the last 30 seconds.
No.
Okay, good. Okay. So it explains a little bit better.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. No, seriously, I did though. I did.
I know I saw you.
Yeah. I'm hurt. All right. So this, my notas, is going to be on page 5 in my notebook. So hopefully you guys are following along, not taping stuff right now, because you will have time at the end to do that. All right. Percent, sales tax, and discounts. There we go. Basics of percent. Percent are the results of expressing number as a part of 100. The word percent means out of 100. You can get it later. It means out of 100. That's what percent means. So to expressing a fraction as a percent is just like what we did on our warm-up. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, that's all you have to do. And that decimal that we have, you're going to multiply by 100. This is done by moving the decimal point 2 places to the right and then slap the percent sign on the end. Got to put the percent sign on the end, right, Michael? Okay, and after you slap it on the end, you have to say, no, you say good game. Because if you slap it on the end and don't say good game, it gets super awkward, right? Okay, isn't that how that goes? Yeah. Anyway. So I did I left the notes up here, step by step on how to do this. So divide the numerator by the denominator. It's almost like we already did this last semester. We get the decimal. Multiply the quotient by 100, so times 100, so I get 62.5, and slap the percent on. There we go. And if you slap on the percent, you have to say good game, because you just slap it on the end, okay? And and you have to take it off right away too. Don't hold it there. Okay, don't hold it there. Seriously, Michael, that was super awkward. And Vinny, yeah, Vinny was making eye contact when it happened too, so it made it worse. All right, so we get 62.5%. All right, to express a decimal as a percent, move the decimal point 2 places to the right, attach the percent sign. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it right now. You're doing it right now. You know you have to fill in these notes, right? Because you're not working on your cover, because that's something you're supposed to do already. So you're doing the notes right now too, right?
Yeah.
Right? Yee, 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 yee. Is English your first language?
No.
Okay, yeah. So in English, I kind of said where do you think the tape should go? especially since we're gonna do a lot of these and they're gonna be double-sided, right? You think you wanna use a line paper right here underneath this?
How do you do that?
Because it's line paper and you could actually do your work right there too, but. Just tape there and there. Yeah.
Oh, you should.
Oh my goodness, I did.
See?
Got another one here.
It never happened. You thought you did.
Hey, am I forgetting something? Michael, did I say it? Okay, so, all right. That was your notebook right here. I was doing that, right? I was like showing where to put the tape at and all that, right?
No.
Anyway, so this one right here, I moved the decimal point 2 places to the right. 1, 2. So it's going to be 47.0. And what do?
Slapping on the end.
Slap it on the end.
GG.
Yep, good game. GG, right?
Oh.
All right, there we go.
Mr. Parker, who taught you?
What?
Who taught you math?
What?
Who were you teaching?
Who are we teaching?
Oh my god, never mind. Who teaching?
Who was your teacher?
Remember his name?
What are you talking about?
Your teacher.
My teacher?
Yeah, who taught
Oh
you
my
math?
God.
No, I'm telling you right here. This right here. That's from watching the football players. Okay, all the time. Yeah, because you have to slap it on the end and say good game, right?
Wait, what? Y'all don't do that, Jess?
No,
What?
no. Okay, seriously. No, and you don't kiss a homie goodnight. Okay. So stop saying that. Doesn't matter if you have socks on or not.
Y'all don't
Okay,
be like-
you
y'all
don't kiss a homie goodnight.
Y'all don't be like checkmate, and then like.
No.
You guys don't like shake hands or nothing?
Yes, it's a handshake.
Oh, and then.
No. Is that why you want to join the chess team now?
You pull them in.
No, you need to stop. You need to stop. Okay, no. Anyway, all right, 47%. All right, right here, to express a percent as a decimal, move the decimal point 2 places to the left this time. Remove the percent sign. All right, try it.
So they're grabbing on, right? They're like attached. They're like squeezing.
This is not Charmin. You don't squeeze it.
Huh? Wouldn't that be like 1.8%? Well, yeah, 1.8, 1.8.
I don't know. Are you filling it into your notes since you're supposed to be filling them in?
Yeah.
All right, so we move it. So where's the decimal at in the first place? There's no decimal there. Where's the decimal?
Not there.
It is there, but where's it at?
Oh, yeah.
After the 9, right?
After the 9, yeah.
After the 9. Even though you don't see it there, it is implied that it's there. So we move 2 to the left. 1, 2. So I get 0.19 and get rid of the percent. Easy?
Yep.
Okay, good. B, same thing. Get rid of the percent. And the decimal, where's that at?
After.
Yeah, after the 0 right here, right? So I know no one's cutting because they're doing their notes right now, right? Because you were supposed to do that stuff later. 2 places to the left. So I get 1.8. I'm going to add the 0 because why not? Because usually, yeah, why not? Is it necessary?
No.
No, it's not. Alrighty. Percent sales tax and discounts. That of implies multiplication. So when you see this right here, the word of means multiplication. So says, we use this formula to determine sales tax collected by states, counties, cities on sale items to customers. Sales tax amount is tax rate times items cost, and this tax rate is always going to be as a decimal. It's always as a decimal. Did you fill it in, Vinny?
What?
These notes that we're doing.
Oh yeah, I got you. Go ahead.
You're done. Come on.
I can see it. I can remember it. Okay.
Alrighty. Suppose the local sales tax rate is 7.5% and you purchase a bicycle for $894. First, let's take that percent and turn it into a decimal. So let's see. I'm going to add extra zeros here anyway.
Wait.
I'm adding extra zeros, you'll see.
Oh.
If I'm going from a percent to a decimal, which way do I move my point? To the left. Very good. I move to the left. So 1, 2, 0.075. Is that what you were trying to say?
Yep.
You were asking about the ones in the back?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. That's what I figured. So I have that. That is going to be my decimal for my rate. So for part A, it's going to be 0.075 times 894. So in your calculadora, you are doing that right now.
See all the differences? I don't wanna
What? Look, right there. Look, see all this right stuff there? It's blank. Where you're supposed to be adding these notes. Did you add those notes? Did you add the little thing that I add right here? And you said you got this.
Oh,
and I said,
that was on this page.
yeah.
That was on the page right here.
Hmm?
Right here.
You did. Why don't you have this one? Mhm.
It's a lot of text.
All right. So I get this, and it comes out to be.
57.05.
That is a lot of tax, isn't it? That is a lot of tax. So now, the total bicycle cost. So to walk out of the store with the bicycle, how much are you going to have to pay? What are you going to have to do with the sales tax?
You have to add it to the actual 894.
Very good. We add it to the item amount, right? So we add those together. So for part B, I'm going to take my 67.05, add that to my 894. Yes, add it. I'm waiting for you. You're looking at me like crazy eyes. Seriously. And we get a total amount of 60 what? There we go. Good job. You're reacting, Minnie. You're supposed to be doing it for me. You're supposed to be doing it before I write the answer up there.
I did it in my head. I didn't write it down.
Uh-huh. The only thing that's in,
Make sure.
seriously, no, I'm worried. Only thing that's in there is like bong water and song lyrics.
Don't smoke.
Uh-huh. Percent sales tax. Business reduce prices or discount to attract customers and reduce inventory. The discount rate is a percent of the original price. Now, and discount rate is always as a As a decimal. Always as a decimal. So think about it. If the sales tax, I add it to amount, the discount, I'm going to subtract it. So I subtract it to my amount. So, let's do it. I'm going to start. A gaming laptop original price of $1460 is on sale, 15% off. Let's figure out what the percent off means. I'm going to add the decimal point in there because it's implied that it's not there, right? It's implied that it's after the 5, but it's not there. So if I'm changing a percent to a decimal, which way does that go?
Right.
To the left. To the left. Going from percent to decimal, it's to the left. So I get 0.15. Did you write that down? So for part A, I'm going to take 0.15 and I'm going to multiply that by 1460. And you guys are doing this right now. Right, meow. You're doing it. Right, meow. When are you going to do it? Do it.
But do it right.
Why don't you close your notes up? I'm telling you, Long Water and song lyrics. That's it. So you're not denying you're denying the bong water, but not the song lyrics. Alrighty, let's see. What's my discount gonna be? What is it? 219?
Yes, sir.
Since it is a discount, I'm going to take that away from my original price. All right, so for part B, it's going to be $1460. And so the new price, 1, like that, right there?
Yeah.
You guys agree?
Yeah.
Good job. So that's the new price with the discount. Gotta try and get your discounts where you can. Anyone questions over that so far? Alrighty. So that leads us to this point right here. I'm gonna pick this up on Tuesday. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button and support my channel. Buy something from my merch store.